Hi Primary One friends, how are you today? Are you feeling good and wonderful? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so today Miss Winda will ask you to watch a movie. Woohoo! What movie is that? But before that, let me talk to your parents first. If they are not there with you, you can help me to call them. Thank you. Baik, Bapak dan Ibu, apa kabar semuanya? Hari ini saya akan memberikan sebuah film untuk anak-anak di mana anak-anak dapat menyaksikan dan melihat relasi sebuah pohon, mungkin relasi antara alam dan manusia. Nah, ada beberapa hal yang saya harapkan dapat dikumpulkan sebagai feedback. Yang pertama adalah saat anak-anak menceritakan kembali film yang sudah ditonton. Lalu yang kedua adalah menginterpretasikan. Jadi anak-anak nanti dapat menuangkan ide-ide mereka mengenai film tersebut. Lalu saya juga akan memberikan beberapa pertanyaan yang dapat membantu anak-anak untuk menginterpretasikan cerita. Lalu yang ketiga adalah menulis quote sebagai tugas copyword. Nah, nanti quote-nya akan saya berikan. Oke. Terima kasih Bapak dan Ibu atas bantuannya. Okay, so friends, after this, you can open the link that I sent to you while you are watching the movie. You can pause the video. After you finish watching the movie, you can go back to this video because Miss Winda will give you some questions that can help you to interpreting the story. Okay? All right, friends. Here we go. You can pause the video now and don't forget to come back again later. Okay, friends. So, how was the movie? Was it great? Or did the movie make you sad? Okay, now I need you to tell me about the story again. Yeah, you can use your own word to tell the story. Okay, now friends, I have some questions for you. Uh, what uh, what do you think about the story? How did you feel when you watched the story, when you watched the movie? Did you feel angry, sad, joy, or happy? And why do you feel that way? And then, next, let's imagine that if you were the tree, what would you do when the boy come like that and ask something from the tree? What would you do? Would you give your apples, branches, and trunk to that boy? And why? Now, let's say if the tree didn't give anything to the boy, what will happen to the boy? Now you can think about it. And then next, if you need help or not really help, if you need money, house, and a boat like the boy, would you do the same, asking from the tree, or will you do something else? Okay, friends, that's some questions that can help you for interpreting the story. Now, let's say that the tree gives something, give the apples, the branches, the trunk until finally he just become an old stump. But Did the tree feel happy at the end? Okay, now Miss Winda will share you something good. This is a quote, yeah, a quote about giving. Quote is like the words or sentence that has powerful meaning. Okay, here we go. Let's watch and let's see. Okay, who can help me to read this quote? Okay, now let's read together. Always have a willing hand to help someone. You might be the only one that does. Roy T. Bennett. Okay, now let's try to look at that quote again. Yeah. What do you think the quote is going to say to us? You always have a willing hand to help someone, and you might be the only one that does. The only one? Are you sure? Okay, you tell me, yeah, what is the meaning of this? Or maybe, um, if there is somebody that needs help, we need to help him because that's the only one. Maybe we are the only one who will help him. Or do you have something else in your mind about this quote? Nah, in here, I need you to write down the quote on your copy workbook. Pay attention on the date and the capital letter. Okay? So that's all, friends, from me. I'm waiting for your feedback. See you next time. Bye-bye.